So you have to do another spicy challenge. Challenge accepted. So I have this pot noodle, which is Fusion Tane green curry. So this is green curry flavoured. Okay?
And it has 7 chilies in that, you know.
7 chilies, and he added jalapenos in it. Because if it's deadly and spicy, then the Doritos one, it's your fault. What's this? That's calorie pepper.
And I've got...
What is that? Apparently this is a Carolina Reaper.
You get on your bike.
And I've got a Carolina Reaper sausage roll here.
So I've added jalapenos in it because you guys tell me to do another spicy challenge.
Let's add the dangerously sauce ever.
If I die, it's your own fault. I'm going to
Guys,
turn into a ghost and haunt you all.
this is the
That
spiciest
rhymes.
thing in the world.
Yeah. See my tooth yesterday? It fell off again.
Look at that. With the sauce on as well. Let's put the sauce on. Alright,
My
the sauce is
tooth
on,
fell off.
guys. 3, 2.
Yeah, but 5
Go on.
check on it.
He's eating his sausage roll. I'm back. So challenge starts. I'm not going to eat all of it for you guys. So I'm just going to eat all of this without you guys. It's too flipping hot. So cheese with you guys. I hope wishes me luck.
Oh my god.
Spice is good.
I'm covered in bomb sauce. Hottest sauce in the world. My armpit has just opened a Coca bottle.
Oh. Wow, that's a bit spicy. Let's just try the jalapeno. Let's just try straight up jalapeno. Get the noodles off because we're not eating noodles straight up yet. Let's try a jalapeno. Remember on TikTok I done I'm back. Oh. So straight up jalapenos again. Do 2 jalapenos and 1 noodles. Oh, not eating that. Later on. Now straight up noodles. Let's see what's the normal.
Get on your own bike.
Sorry about that, guys. So noodles straight up now.
And I'm watching it again.
Oh,
And I'm hearing the stuff.
I keep watching Grim and I'm watching Melvin again.
we'll go 3, 2, 1. It's all your fault! Oh, my eyes are literally flipping water in. Oh. See, this is all your fault!
The way a noodle popped out of his mouth when he started.
All your fault saying in the comments. Like, no jalapenos. Now we have to try this again because of you. Lily, stop licking Peter's eye. Wait, it's closing his eyes, luckily.
She just sat on his head.
Don't sit on his head. 3, 2, 1. Don't fucking do that.
You little pervert.
Kind of tastes like edible green.
She's
Do you know,
even
like,
looking herself now.
tastes like green lollipops.
Oh, you little
Let's
pissy.
add them all together. You asked for this. This is for you, what you've done
And
to
next
me.
video, we're going to announce our age.
Announce age. Okay, this is for you again. If it happens again, what happened just then, I'm going to report you. I'm going to report you. And don't punch my back and make me choke. You
And
understand me?
also, we're going to face reveal me in the next video.
Oh, no go. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, next video's not today, though.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes.
I don't want it today. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
I had an idea as well.
Let's try it. This is Carolina Reaper.
No, it's your mum.
Carolina Reaper. Little one. Tastes like tea. Cup of tea. That's what it tastes like.
A cup of tea. There's my hair, guys.
Cup of tea. Yeah, no, you don't. No one wants to see your hair.
Except from a pervert.
Not all that spicy. I think it's not Carolina
By the
Reaper.
way, I'm the
Pepper.
editor of his videos. Tastes like shit.
Right, jalapeno.
Isn't this weird? Just a video of you eating.
I'll just try one more before I end this video.
Bye. Reveal next video. Get your sticky hands off my finger or I'll smack you into.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
We're gonna do a video.
Let me know in the comments what you want me to do next. Thanks
Hey,
for watching.
guys,
Bye.
guys.